From Canada in this C3 class, 20 years of age, and on the track he was runner-up in the individual pursuit at the Paralympic Games in Toronto. World Championships, he was 8th in the pursuit, 14th in the time trial, and he finished just outside the medals in the individual pursuit here on day 2. So he's having a good games.
So Michael SAMETZ, the Canadian, he's away. And as you mentioned, 4th in the C3 3,000 metres individual pursuit. Fantastic to see such a young cyclist, just 20 years of age, to be finishing right up there. Will give him a good confidence boost, and I suspect we will be seeing a lot more of him.
The first of 2 Canadians in this men's C1, C2, C3 time trial, with also Tristan Chenauve going later, expected to go very close to a medal. But can Michael SAMETZ give Canada a really good start here in this competition? At this stage, 2.40 off the pace. His time will stand, being in the C3 classification, coming into the grueling final 250 metres in a moment, about to receive the bell.
Michael SAMETZ just slipping a little further off the pace there. Let's get another update. Well, he's managing to hold it now. He's not slipping back any further. This last lap, so crucial. He really needs to dig deep here.
It is tough, the final half a lap. The crowd encouraging Michael SAMETZ from Canada. Comes around the turn. You can see the time to beat. It won't be that, but it will be okay. 1:15.171. 1:15.171, and at this stage, after we've had 10 athletes grace the velodrome, he sits in 3rd place.